Hello, hello. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great day. If you are in the US or Canada, I hope you're enjoying this long holiday weekend. It is absolutely beautiful outside where I am right now, so that's really nice. My aunt and granddad are doing some work on the grill so we can grill some things for the first time this summer. So that'll be exciting. So, what's also exciting is all of the special things that doTERRA has in store for us for this month. And September is, it's a cool month, right? I mean, it's no longer my birth month, so that's kind of sad. Hey, Sue. So that's kind of sad, but September is a month full of possibilities. It's one of those months where like parents are super happy because their kids are going back to school. The kids are kind of in a mix of why me? I have to go back to school, or yay, I get to see my friends. So it's a good time of year. And for people who like pumpkin spice everything, it's all back. And for all those weird people who like fall and cooler, crisper weather, that's coming too. So it's a month full of possibilities. So let's go through all of the amazing things that you can get this month from doTERRA and how to use them, because that's the best part, right? Using the oils. The best thing is for new wholesale customers in the US, you can get 20% off an enrollment kit above a family essentials kit. So natural solutions, home essentials, diamond kit, love the diamond kit, all of these, every oil, all of those kits are 20% off the wholesale price. So that's really amazing. So there are like all the oils inside are under wholesale anyway when you package them together, but now they're like super under wholesale, so that's really cool. So if you've been on the fence about becoming a wholesale customer, then now is definitely your time to do that. And if you have some friends who are like, yeah, I've been thinking about it, again, now is the time. All right, so for everyone else, the product of the month is lime. Lime is amazing. Now you'll get this if you place a 125 PV order by the 15th of September, and that's through the Loyalty Rewards program, which means you're getting points to get stuff for free later. So more free, we love free. So lime is super, and I have it closed so tightly. It smells so good. I have it in the diffuser right now. But lime is really great because it uplifts your mood. It's really good for cleaning, and it's good for giving you like a nice glowy skin on your face. But it is photosensitive, so you don't want to do this and then go outside in the sun. This is something that you'll add to your moisturizer at night or add to your cleanser at night. It's really good for cooking and drinking. I put some in my water or margaritas. It's really good for so many wonderful flavorings for your food and for your drinks. And you can add this to your shampoo too to help with the health of your scalp and your hair. So this is lime. Cardamom, which is one of my favorites, and that is in the diffuser right now with the lime. Cardamom is, Gucci is staring at me. I think he wants to be fed. Cardamom is really great for respiratory issues. It's good for tummy troubles. It's also really good for mental clarity and focus. And when we're talking about going back to school, whether you're a teacher or a student or a parent who has to help your kids with homework, you need mental clarity and focus. And I put this in my coffee all the time. You guys have seen me do that, and I just love it so much. And it tastes really good. You can cook with it. It pairs really well with the lime in the diffuser, and a lot of moms and dads swear by this combo in the car to help their kids not be so cranky before they go to school, and it just kind of makes you love each other. So cardamom and lime. So cardamom is 10% off this month, all month, on any type of order, even an enrollment order, a standard order, loyalty rewards order. Cardamom is 10% off, and lime is free if you do the 125 PD order on your loyalty rewards program before the 15th of the month.